This is the final video to solve your Apple TV first gen Linux bootloader stuck on the logo screen issue. After facing this problem myself and testing many options, I found multiple effective methods to fix your Apple TV first gen on Linux bootloader stuck on the logo screen, and I will share them. The first approach addresses corrupted system files by performing a full software restoration, essentially giving your device a fresh start by overwriting the existing operating system with a clean version. Another effective strategy involves accessing the bootloader menu to clear specific partitions that may be holding onto bad data, preventing a proper boot. We then explore a method that utilizes an external drive to manually reset and reinstall the operating system, ensuring all internal storage is clean and correctly configured. Finally, we look at establishing a direct connection to force a reboot sequence and repair critical bootloader files, which is essential for correct startup procedures. These techniques target the root cause of the logo screen freeze, ensuring your device boots up correctly.